Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have another Zury Sis wig for you guys. This one is the A-Line H Mo wig, and this is one of their angled bobs that they have, and I have it in the color 1. This is a really cute bob, you guys. I like how it's pointed here. It's very different. That's what I like about it. It's very unique. And here is what the model looks like. She has on this nice purple, you guys. I love that color there. And it says that it's a natural yaki texture, which is true. It is very easy to pull through and it's not as shiny. Even though I'm in the light, it does not show up like that in person. It's just because of all the light that's shining down on me right now. And it's also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can put some heat to it. If you don't like this type of pointy bump in it, you could always flat iron it down. Now let me show you guys what the back looks like really quick. And it's really short up in the back as well, so it's real nice, as you can see. So as far as the bang goes, it's not as full as what the model is shown here. It's not as full. It's kind of like, you know, sporadic a little bit. It's not too bad, but I was expecting it to be a little more full. And here is what the back looks like here of the stock card. It has a bunch of different colors, which I would leave in the description bar below, so you guys could go check those out, and also where you can purchase this wig as well. And it comes with different sombre colors, and the color that the model has on is the SOM RT purple. So if you're interested in that one, whichever links that I put down below, you should be able to see them if it's not already sold out. This color is really cute too. It's very neutral. I know I have a lot of bright colors on my channel, but I decided to incorporate a little bit more color 1 so you guys can see that more. And I hope you guys are liking it. Let me know down below if you're feeling this wig. Would you get rid of the bumps, or you're going to keep it pointy? I like it pointy. It makes it look different. I really like that. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with everybody that you know. And I'll see you in another video. Take care, and I love you guys for even watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Take care.